specialist at UDC in sustainability, innovation, and urban resilience. I'm really excited to be here at our smokehouse, designed and engineered by Temba Engineering Services, out here at the UDC Firebird Farm. To me, this smokehouse represents the best of UDC's sustainability, innovation, and our urban resilience programs. Here, we're able to smoke not only meats, fishes, and chicken, traditional smoked items, but also smoke and dehydrate produce grown here on the farm. So today, we're smoking beets, golden beets and red beets. We tried kale chips. We made smoked butternut squash, smoked pumpkin, smoked acorn squash, smoked spaghetti squash, and it turned out delicious. So in the 3 days of the program, we covered a lot of ground. We started by talking about emotional intelligence and the importance of understanding where your team is coming from. Our team here for the class was diverse, coming from all parts of countries, different parts of the DMV, our region around here, and with really diverse backgrounds. So we took time to understand each other, understand emotional intelligence, and understand how that relates to the connection between man and machine. Then we dug into how the smokehouse was made, how it was assembled, what's entailed in both the maintenance and the operations of the equipment, and then how the programming works. So there's an excellent computer behind us which allows us to program exactly what we'd like to happen when. So we learned the difference between hot smoke and cold smoke, between steaming, cooking, and drying. And so with each of these different steps, we're able to design really a recipe, a program of the recipe, which allows the smokehouse to turn different elements on and off, to be smoking or without smoke, to be drying, so really pumping the air through to take out that evaporation, or to keep those dampers sealed so that the moisture is really circulating, keeping items more moist. So depending on what you're trying to make, what you're cooking, and what you're smoking, you can really have a really wide range of programs. So we then learned how to make our own programs, and then we tested it. We brought in what we wanted to try, and we smoked. So some folks brought in salmon fillets, some folks brought in chicken. One of our cohort brought in some venison that he had recently gotten. And as I mentioned, others of us brought in a lot of vegetables from the farm. We tried different levels of thickness of cutting them, whole garlic, peeled garlic, whole cloves. It's been a fantastic experiment, and I'm really looking forward to see where we can go from here. The vision for this smokehouse is to be a place for the community to be able to come and preserve and process the produce that they're growing, making more shelf-stable products. And it's also a place where we can be building community. By cooking food for lots of people all at the same time, we're going to be able to host even better dinners and events out here, engaging people with really connecting what's being produced out here on the farm. And in the longer term, we're excited about seeing what is possible to be able to have small businesses really based out here, to be able to be smoking and preserving products out here at the UDC Firebird Farm. So thank you to Dr. Temba and to Temba Engineering Services for both designing and building the smoker and for this fantastic program. Thank you.